Mastering single-digit addition with hands and objects. Hello, eager learners. Today, we are going to explore a very fun and engaging topic from the world of mathematics, single-digit addition. But instead of simply memorizing the sums, we're going to make things more interactive. We'll use our fingers and everyday objects to understand and visualize the process of addition better. Let's get started. Addition is one of the basic mathematical operations. It's all about bringing things together. If you have 2 apples and I give you 3 more apples, how many apples do you have in total? Right, you have 5 apples. This is what we call addition. 2 apples plus 3 apples equals 5 apples. We brought the apples together, or in other words, we added them. Now, let's try using our fingers to help us add numbers. We all have 10 fingers, and these can be an excellent tool for understanding single-digit addition. If I asked you to add 4 and 3, how would you do it with your fingers? First, hold up 4 fingers. These could be on one hand or split between 2 hands. Then, hold up 3 more fingers. Count all the fingers you're holding up. 4 fingers plus 3 fingers equals 7 fingers. So, 4 plus 3 equals 7. We can use this method to add any 2 single-digit numbers. It's a hands-on way, literally, to understand addition. What if the numbers are bigger than 10? That's where objects come in handy. We can use objects like pencils, books, or toys to represent numbers. Let's add 7 and 5. Lay out 7 objects and then 5 more. Now, count all of the objects together. 7 objects plus 5 objects equals 12 objects. So, 7 plus 5 equals 12. Remember, objects don't need to be all the same. You can mix and match. The important thing is to group them together and count the total. And there you have it. You now know how to use your fingers and objects to perform single-digit addition. It's a fun, interactive, and visual way of understanding how we bring numbers together with addition. Remember to practice. The more you do, the better you'll become. Try using different objects or mix and match them. Math is everywhere around us. Happy learning, and until our next mathematical adventure.